Today is Monday, December 10th. The time is 11:27 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Plates and Patches football break, break number 9. Good luck, everybody. First card goes to the Jaguars. Mercedes Lewis, serial number 286 out of 299. Next for the Seahawks, rookie Josh Portis, serial number 66 out of 100. Seahawks rookie again, KJ Wright, serial number 80 out of 100. Bears, Johnny Knox, serial number 38 out of 50. For the Miami Dolphins, autograph rookie patch, Clyde Gates, serial number 181 out of 499. So we have a redemption. We'll do that last, so you can look it up on the checklist. Jumbo patch, Team Supreme, Roddy White, Falcons, serial number 50 out of 50. For the Vikings, Team Supreme, Jumbo Patch, Bernard Berrien, serial number 23 out of 50. Seahawks, rookie, Chris Durham, autograph, serial number 142 out of 199. DeLon Carter, rookie blitz jersey, Colts, serial number 90 out of 299. Packers, City Limits, Donald Driver, serial number 16 out of 249. The redemption is for RPS Rookies Prime Signatures nameplate, card number 226. And let me look that up on the checklist. Rookie signatures number 226, Leonard Hankerson, which would go to the Washington Redskins. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending today for football, I have 2012 Panini Certified. Also listed for football box breaks, 2012 Panini Momentum, the brand new 2012 Panini Longevity Rookies and Stars, and for 2011 football box breaks, Panini Gold Standard.